Hello dear viewers, today we'll be comparing 5 popular air fryers to help you find the model that suits you best. We'll be examining the top air fryers, comparing their performance and prices, pros and cons, and helping you discover which features align with your preferences. Before starting the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Number 1. Cosori Pro LE Air Fryer. Its price is $100. According to our reviews, it's the best value air fryer cut down 85% oil. With 360-degree rapid heat circulation technology, feel free to enjoy the same crispy textures as traditional deep frying with up to 85% less fat. Enjoy meals in minutes. This air fryer cooks with industry-leading temperatures up to 450 degrees, making heating efficiency 20% faster than before. Help you prepare a quick meal. 9. One-touch cooking functions on a tempered glass display let you preheat and add personalized shake reminders. Compact but suitable capacity. It can hold 5 quarts of cooking space, which fits enough food for 1 to 4 people. With compact design, takes up little room on your countertop. Tempered glass display. Enjoy making one-touch selections on a beautiful tempered glass display ergonomically angled toward you. Dishwasher safe. With a non-stick BPA-free basket, you can spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your meals. Pros. The price is generous for the size and quality of the machine. Cons. It's smaller than other mid-size air fryers and lacks smart features. Number 2. Ninja 4-quart air fryer. Its price is $90. According to our reviews, it's the best small air fryer. Less fat. Air fry with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. Tested against hand-cut deep-fried French fries. Wide temperature range. 105 to 400 degrees allows you to gently remove moisture from foods or quickly cook and crisp foods with convection heat. Family-sized capacity. 4-quart ceramic-coated non-stick basket and crisper plate fit 2 pounds of French fries. 4-in-1 versatility. Includes 4 versatile cooking programs: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. Create flat, chip-like dehydrated foods for fun, homemade snacks. The combination of low fan speed and low temperature enables thorough dehydration. Easy to clean. Dishwasher-safe parts including the basket and crisper plate. Wipe-to-clean machine exterior. Pros. Outperformed every other air fryer in our tests with 6 different foods. Cons. It will be too small if you're cooking for more than 2 people. Number 3. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 10-quart air fryer. Its price is $133, according to our reviews. It's the best large-capacity air fryer. 7-in-1 functionality. Air fry, broil, bake, roast, dehydrate, reheat, and rotisserie. Adjustable temperature ranges from 95 to 400 degree even crisp. Technology. Advanced technology that drives airflow top-down for a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. Rotisserie feature, perfect for self-basting and tumble frying. Top heating element with fan ensures optimal cooking and baking performance. One-touch smart programs. 6 customizable programs for one-touch rotisserie-style chicken, garlicky potatoes, cookies, cinnamon buns, and more. Fast preheating. Little to no preheating time, from frozen to golden in minutes. Create gourmet meals with the versatility of a temperature range of 95 to 400 degrees. Easy cleanup. Oven door cleans easily with a damp cloth and dish soap. Dishwasher safe drip pan, cooking trays, rotisserie basket, spit, forks, and screws. Pros. For the size and performance, the price of this air fryer is an absolute steal for anyone cooking for large groups often. Cons. It isn't ideal for smaller batches, and the attachments for the interior need to be purchased separately. Number 4. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. Its price is $350. According to our reviews, it's the best Splurge air fryer. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer with Element IQ system delivers top performance and versatility, allowing you to air fry and choose from 11 cooking functions. Element IQ system. Using 5 independent quartz elements, smart algorithms steer power to where and when it's needed to create the ideal cooking environment. Dedicated air fry setting. The smart oven. Air fryer can turn out guilt-free French fries, chicken wings, and so much more. Super convection technology. Convection can reduce cooking time by up to 30%. It speeds the cooking process by raising the hotter air and sinking colder, less dense air for quicker heating. Large capacity. Large interior with enough room for 6 slices of bread, 13-inch pizza, roast chicken, a 9-cup muffin tray, LCD display. Choose from 11 smart cooking functions. The LCD also indicates when preheat has completed and automatically begins to count down on the cooking time for perfect results. Pros: there are several settings that basic air fryers won't manage, and this multifunctional tool looks great on the countertop. Cons: it's a bigger upfront investment and doesn't have the capacity of larger air fryers. Number 5. Instant Pot Vortex plus 6-quart air fryer. Its price is $170. According to our reviews, it's the best air fryer overall. 6-in-1 functionality: air fry, broil, roast, dehydrate, bake, and reheat. Even crisp technology. Advanced technology that drives airflow top-down for a perfect golden finish and crispy. Tender results every time. One-touch smart programs. Customizable programs for one-touch wings, roasted veggies, garlicky potatoes, cookies, cinnamon buns, and more. Fast preheating. Little to no preheating time, from frozen to golden in minutes. Create gourmet meals with the versatility of a temperature range of 95 to 400 degree, easy cleanup. Non-stick, dishwasher-safe, air fry basket and tray. Compact design and stainless steel accents. Perfectly combines function and style in a countertop-friendly size, perfect for 4-6 servings. Safety features. Built-in safety features like overheat protection, auto-off, and more to keep your mind at ease. Pros: this is the most user-friendly tool with the strongest cooking results of any machine we've tested. Cons: it isn't the largest air fryer available and lacks smart functions. Great. Feel free to let us know in the comments section which model is your favorite and what other comparisons you'd like to see. Thanks, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.